this video, I played around with a lot of new makeup that I've recently purchased, and I really love how this look came out. I used the Milk Cosmetics 27 palette they came out with. I was really upset that I didn't get the Gemini one. I really hope that they bring that one back. I really hope they bring that one back because I really wanted a green eyeshadow palette, and then that one came out, but I was at work, so I couldn't freaking buy it. I was so upset. Breaking my heart. I hope they come back out with it, so I'm gonna grab it right up if they do. But so I used the 27 palette all over my eyes, and I absolutely love it. Obviously, warm eyeshadow palette, Lyzmarie. Warm eyeshadow palette, Lyzmarie. We were meant for each other. But yeah, I used a bunch of newer makeup on my face, and I haven't worn this lip in a while, and it's also by Melt. I think it's old fashioned. I feel like it pairs so well with this eye look, and I really enjoy how it came up with this eye look. I tried to make my bangs behave, but they've gotten a little too long, and you can like barely like see my eye look, but guys, I'm so happy with this look. It's been a while since I filmed a video, so I decided to do a voiceover just to get it back into the swing of things, but I hope you guys really enjoy this makeup look tutorial. Okay guys, I forgot to put my primer on, which is usually the Hourglass Mineral Veil. Oops. But I just began with the sample I got from Sephora, the Bare Minerals Foundation in Golden Ivory. And I took my Echo Tool sponge and just blended that right on my face. I then took Tarte Shape Tape to conceal my under eyes and prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. As much as everyone loves this concealer, it is not my favorite. I don't know if I just bought a shade that's slightly too light for me, but I don't find the coverage I need for my dark circles with this concealer. So it's not my favorite, and it's also slightly too drying on my under eyes. Not a great look. Moving on, I finally got myself the Wowder from Glossier. And I don't know about you guys, but by the end of this look, I was looking at my skin, and I don't know if it's the powder, the foundation, or just a combination of the two. My skin looked flawless. I definitely have to keep testing out the foundation and the powder with different scenarios. Then, dun 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 dun, Milk Cosmetics 27 palette, and I first went in with Naked Sleep, and I blended that all throughout the crease. I then took the color Whiskey Neat and focused that more on the outer crease of my eye. And again, blended that in circular motions. You guys, I just have to say, these shadows blend so easily. They're so pigmented, but they blend like butter. I don't know why people use that as an analogy for blending shadows, but you know, I think it works. It's very smooth, very smooth. I then went into the outer V with the color Moonchild, which is one of my favorite colors, along with the Whiskey Neat out of this palette. Those two deep colors are beautiful. And I just built that up in the outer crease, the outer V of my eyeball, my eyelid, to my heart's content. Then I decided to try something a little different. I went into the inner corner of my eye and blended the color Moxie from my inner corner to my brow bone. And at first I put the pigment too much, like in one spot. This, I have to say, took a lot of blending to make it look more diffused and not so, what's the word I'm looking for? I can't think of anything, but I wanted a more diffused look and not just a block of color on my eye. So I took quite a bit of time blending this out, but this color is also one of my favorite. Okay, I might as well just say this palette is just my favorite. yeah, I'm happy I never bought the Urban Decay Naked Heat because I think this beats it times 10. And here is me trying to decide which color I want to go on my lid. Vegas Past or Crime Fighter? I think I eventually went with Vegas Past just because, I don't know, I was feeling the bronze. The bronze was definitely feeling me too. So I went with Vegas Past. And these shimmers went on so easily. I also apply my shimmers with a finger. That's my preferred method. I feel like it's just easier, and I just like to pat it on. I didn't go in with Vegas Past wet, and I'm sure it probably would look awesome like that, but I didn't go in with any of these shadows wet. I probably will try that in the future. Most definitely. I then went in with Naked Sleep once again, and to blend out my lower lash line. Smoke it out. Smoke it out. Smoke it out until you can't smoke it out no more. You know? And then I went with Whiskey Neat closer to the lash line and blended that back out with Naked Sleep. Moving on to the face, I went in with the Anastasia bronzer and Rosewood, which I gotta say, I feel like everything I've used in this video was awesome. Like, I don't think I was disappointed in anything, except for, like, you know, I already said I don't really like the Tarte Shape Tape. I really like this bronzer. The color wasn't bad, I don't think, on my skin tone, and it was very pigmented, though I went in lightly, and it was very buildable. So, I then went in with Anastasia's Dream Palette in the color Sunshine. And you guys, I tell you, I am never disappointed with Anastasia products. I am so happy with this highlighter. It's so beautiful, and even though it has like glitter chunks in it, they kind of just dust off as you're blending the highlighter into your cheek, and it doesn't really bother me. Can't find the glitter in there. It's just like a nice, beautiful sheen. I also did not go in with the highlighter wet, so I'm definitely gonna try that in the future when I want to go BAM! In your face. This is my cheek. Blingin', blingin'. I then also went with that color Sunshine in my inner corner and my brow bone. Beautiful touch, beautiful. I want to try this look again and just wear it everywhere. Then to brighten up my eyes, I went in with the NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk. Super creamy, it goes in the waterline so easily. No struggle at all here. I must buy more. I have it in like the 3 basic colors, but I'm gonna get some of those shimmery metallics. I went in with Melt Cosmetics lipstick in Old Fashioned, and I just think this lipstick was like a perfect choice for this look. I don't know. I think this like went well with the crease color, or like Whiskey Neat. This color is so beautiful. I should wear it more often. Oh, and also Melt lipsticks are like one of my favorite formulas. I am a matte girl, faux show. And then I went in to further define my lips. I took the ColourPop lip pencil, and I believe the name is Wet. I don't think they sell this color anymore. Sorry guys. But it was the closest deep pencil I had to working with this lipstick. And then I went back in with the lipstick to blend in those lines. Make my lips look perfect and purty. I went in with the Pixi's new Rose Glow Mist, which when I first got it, I was kind of worried. Because it has oils in it and it separates, and you have to make sure you definitely shake this. The other one, the regular makeup setting mist, I love that one. I was just a little hesitant with this one, but this one, guys. Maybe this is what made my skin look so great. But it smells beautiful, and it makes everything settle into your skin and make it look more natural. It's just great. Highly recommend. I also went in with the Kat Von D new pomade she came out with. What are these called? I went in with her Super Brow in the color Medium Brown. And you guys, I am sorry, but my brows came out terrible. This Kat Von D pomade is so pigmented and creamy, and I was not expecting it, so my brows basically come out like a block brow. Don't appreciate it. Next time, I will definitely be more careful with that. because boy oh boy, that's not a good look, having those block brows, and it's super dark on my pale skin. My brows came out bad. Ugh. Not that I'm best at the brows. Then, to lock in my brows, I went in with the ColourPop. No, I didn't. I lied. I went in with the Glossier Boy Brow. My favorite, and I have said this time and time again, it is my favorite brow product. How do they do it? I don't know. But it just makes my brows look fluffy and beautiful and defined without having to try hard. Last but not least, I went in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I got this sample also from Sephora. Thank you so much. I love me some samples. But yeah, I love the brush on this mascara, and it's really great at lengthening and separating my eyelashes, which is what I mainly look for. I have to keep testing this out and see how I like it. First impressions though, not bad. And that is the final look, guys. I hope you love it as much as I do. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. Can't really see it because of my bangs. Maybe I should have just kept them up. But I love my bangs. I just need to get them trimmed. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial and this makeup look I came up with. Don't know why I'm talking like this, but you know, I feel real cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup toot and you enjoyed this look. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna recreate it again because honestly it's like 10 o'clock at night and I'm not going anywhere. I really don't want to take this makeup off though, so I might just keep it on for a couple hours until I actually fall asleep. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And until next time, bye!